And we're back. Hall here with another Hall of Code lesson. Let's dive right in. We're going to be looking at the box model, which involves content, padding, border, and margin. We're going to first take a look at padding, which clears the area around the content. Padding. CSS padding properties are used to generate space around an element's content. With CSS, you have full control over the padding. There are properties for setting the padding for each side of the element, top, right, bottom, left. And as you can see here, there's an image here that shows you how padding is involved around the element or the content. Let's take a look. Okay, so I'm gonna add a few divs, and we'll call these divs different names. We'll say padding all, and that div will say this box uses padding on all sides. So there we go. Okay, so now let's add some styling, and we'll start with the body, and we'll give it a background color of, we'll go this lawn green here, and we'll give it some padding of 30 pixels, and let's see how all of our text kind of moves down. If I take this out, it goes back there. So here we go. Put it back there. And I'm gonna change that color just a little bit. Give it a little different color there. All right, there we go. Okay, and so now we're gonna add some style to our div, and I'm going to introduce you to a concept that we haven't covered yet. We'll say light blue, and we're going to say width of 400, and I'm going to say margin bottom, and that's going to be 20 pixels. But now you can see now all of the divs have been separated because we use margin. And we'll talk about margin a little bit later. So let's first start with padding all. And we'll go padding 20 pixels. And as you can see, that's 20 pixels to the left, top, bottom, and right. Of course, right, let's go 300 pixels in the width. And now you can see that sort of kind of shows that there is border padding on all sides. Padding right. We'll say padding right 40 pixels, and it's kind of hard to see, but this is 40 pixels to the right over here. All right, we'll go padding left. And we'll go 40 pixels to the left. As you can see, this one here pushes that over to the left. And next one will be padding top, bottom. top, 20 pixels, and padding bottom, 20 pixels. As you can see, this one is padding top, top bottom right here. We're gonna go back to 400 pixels on that, so you can see here there's padding at the top and padding at the bottom. And then for this last one, we'll say, we got actually padding shorthand. And we'll go padding, and we'll go 10 pixels. $20 pixels, 30 pixels, and 40 pixels. And so we have top right, bottom left. 10 pixels to the top, 20 to the right, 30 to the bottom, and 40 to the left.